Richard, this one for you, my friend. We have a good client. He flips houses, very successful at it, and I wanted to show him a life long-term investment strategy. You make money flipping one day you move on to actually owning real estate, not only flipping. So Section 8 has raised their payouts for 2021. This is a short table of how much they pay for bedroom in California. I'll put a link to the full table. They go up to 6 or 7 bedrooms, but this is in short. So they pretty much cut up with the market, okay? They're paying $1,369 for a studio, $1,765 for one bedroom, and they're paying almost $3,000 for 4 bedrooms, okay? I'm gonna do an example of investing, and we're gonna use 4 bedroom as an example today, okay? But take this and imagine you're buying a 10 or 20 unit building, and that building only has studios and 1 bedroom. Look at these numbers, guys. So Section 8 is pretty much paying market in certain neighborhoods, okay? I'm assuming $400,000 purchase price. Those of you in LA, West Side, thinking it's impossible, I'm including a link, something I just Googled, Palmdale, $400,000. It buys you a 4 bedroom house that was built in 1988. So it's really, it's not an ancient house, it's a good looking house, nothing fancy, good neighborhood, good house, okay? 4 bedroom, $3,000. Okay, so let's roll. $400,000 purchase price, $80,000 down payment, 20%, okay? We're coming up with a loan amount of $320,000. We're getting rent from this table from Section 8 website. We're getting a rent from $29.82, okay? I'm assuming a mortgage interest rate for investment property at 3.25. Give or take, 325 will get you a payment of $13.93 a month. Don't forget, this payment is interest and principal, so you're actually reducing $320 every month. Property taxes, assuming 1.25% a year, we're at $417 a month. Insurance, I don't know, I figured $500 a year, 35, give or take. Anyways, your net cash flow, rent minus payments, principal and interest, property tax and insurance is coming up to $1,138 a month. So basically you're cash flowing about $1,100 a month, okay? Multiplied by 12 months, you're getting $13,650 a year cash flow, okay? Some things may not be in here, management fee, I'm assuming you guys are gonna manage it yourself, gardener, some small expenses, they can be passed through to your renter, but this is just takes into account your payments, property taxes, and insurance. Okay, that's assuming tenant is gonna pay utilities, that's assuming you guys are gonna manage your property, and obviously does not factor in vacancy rate. Section 8 tenants are actually pretty good. They're long-term tenants, especially for 3-4 bedrooms. These are people with families. I personally have a lot of experience with Section 8 tenants. They're good people. And contrary to that some people believe, this is not, these people actually work. This is for low income, but a lot of these people, they work and they supplement Section 8 payments. This is your total monthly payment. Section 8 will get you a letter kind of like, this is an award letter, okay? Every year they send a letter. Can we see it? So this is an award letter. It says the total monthly contract rent to the owner is being charged effective July 1st is $24.50. It's the tenant's responsibility to pay. It says ongoing housing assistance payment will pay on your behalf is being changed to $14.47. part of rent that the tenant will pay to the owner is $1,003. Basically, these people work. These people supplement, the government assistance with their work with actually their payments. So these are productive members of the society. Sometimes these are elderly. These can be your parents or mine. I mean, these are good people. Okay, so the vacancy for Section 8 tenants are, in my experience, they live longer in the same unit. Okay, back to this. Your cash flowing $1138 a month. It's $13,650 a year, and this is projection for year 1. Year 2, your cash flow will probably stay the same, give or take. Property taxes may increase. Your payment, I'm assuming it's a 30-year fixed, but we're also reducing principal. $1393 a month. That's interest and principal. Based on year 1 projections, you're paying down your $320 mortgage by $6,350. Okay, so at the end of year 1, you're roughly left with $313,650 in mortgage. Your principal reduction in year 2 is going to be higher. Year 10 is going to be much higher. Okay, so this is your return in year 1. Okay, $13,650. That's your cash flow plus you're reducing your loan amount by $320. Okay, so we're coming out with $20,002. Okay, so $80,000 investment gets you $20,000 return in year 1. Cash on cash return, that means your return on your investment. It's different from cap rate, which you would calculate on $400,000. But assuming you're investing $80,000, you're getting $20,000 back. Some of it in form of cash, some of it in form of principal reduction. Your cash on cash return is 25%. Year 1. This $80,000 may be more, as you would be paying closing costs on purchase, maybe some light repairs on a property, but even that is manageable. That listing that I put, it's $400,000. You can write an offer and ask for seller to pay for your closing costs. Again, these are your rough numbers, but some neighborhoods will get you these returns. Not everybody wants to go to Palmdale. Not everybody wants to go to Riverside. Not everybody wants to go to other cities, other states. But this is out there. You're gonna have to find it. You're gonna have to put in some work. You're gonna have to work with best real estate and mortgage professionals. But this is out there. $20,000 and $80,000 investment, 25% return. Ideal situation. And these numbers, Section 8 changes them yearly. They haven't gone up significantly in a while, but they just recently did. They got up. So this is also a moving target. And just like this works for Section 8, this may work for any tenants. We're talking about market rents. So forget about Section 8 tenants. Find a property, see what the market rents are, and you're gonna get here somewhere over here. Multifamily, like I said, you're buying 10, 20, 50 unit buildings in some neighborhoods. Section 8 are, these guys are good tenants, and you're not relying on job security. The government will pay for them. What happened during COVID, a lot of people lost their jobs, and some of the landlords had to, by choice or not, had to modify the rental payments. They had to take less or defer them. Section 8 always paid. Okay. Thank you guys. Richard, thanks for giving me an idea. If you have any questions or if you want this in a spreadsheet, email me. Please subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you think about my assumptions, if I'm out of my mind or not. Yeah, subscribe to my channel, like, and share. Thank you guys.